Hey everybody, Chris back with another Proto Tech Tip video, and for this week we're going to dive back into Protocase Designer to show you how to create custom cutouts for connectors. Now before we dive into the technical aspects of this tutorial, here's a few reasons why you should download Protocase Designer if you haven't already done so. Translating designs into actual parts can sometimes be challenging with conventional CAD software. When you create a design, you can't be sure that it's actually going to be manufacturable. Protocase Designer offers a solution to this by directly integrating into the world's fastest custom manufacturing. You can design quickly by starting with a template, check your design for manufacturability in real time, and then instantly quote an order when you're ready. So for today's video, let's look at how you can simply create and save custom cutouts for specific connectors in Protocase Designer, and then add them to your personal library. But before jumping into the software, it's crucial to first determine your connector's mounting specifications. For this tutorial, consider this drawing. It's a connector with a cutout dimension of 3.5 inches in length and 2 inches in height. The mounting holes are 0.5 inches in diameter, placed 0.5 inches from the left and right edges of the cutout. Now let's jump into the software to then create a custom cutout for this specific connector. To start off, inside the face editor, make sure to go to View, and under the grid option, select Show. We recommend setting the grid to 0.25 inches by 0.25 inches for precision. This way, drawn objects will snap to the grid, making your design process as smooth as possible. To draw the connector cutout with the correct tool selected, draw a rectangle. Then, with your rectangle chosen, set the width in the Properties panel to 3.5 inches, and then the height to 2 inches to match your cutout dimensions. Next up, we'll draw the mounting holes. To do that, draw a circle that snaps to the center of one edge, 0.5 inches from that edge. Then copy and paste this circle to the opposite side for symmetry. You can use the measure tool to confirm the distance between the holes and make sure that it matches the specifications. The distance should be 4.5 inches as shown in the original drawing. So, important to note, in Protocase Designer, the first object that you do select sets the group's origin. You're going to want to keep this in mind to ensure that your design stays consistent. For our connector cutout, we'll set the origin at the center. Select the reference mode, draw a circle, and then place it centrally within our rectangle using alignment options. To do this though, right-click and select Alignment, then horizontally and align centers. After clearing your selections, hold down the Shift key, select the reference circle first and then the other cutouts. Right-click and then select Group. Now you'll notice that the origin is perfectly placed at the center of the group. The reference circle will always be displayed with the cutout, but it will never interfere with anything. You can then save it to your personal library by selecting your grouped cutouts, then right-clicking and selecting Add to Library, followed by Personal. You're going to want to give your cutout a name, and then click Save. And your custom connector cutout is now saved in your personal library, ready to be used for future projects. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about creating custom cutouts or anything else in Protocase Designer, feel free to get in touch with our team by sending an inquiry to info@protocasedesigner.com. And actually, here's something that you may not know. Our team can offer a free demo of Protocase Designer to help you unlock its full potential. In just a few minutes, you can discover the ease and efficiency of the software in order to achieve that smooth design workflow. So that's a wrap for me today. Thank you for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip video, and until next time, take care.